So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean the free flow air filter in proper and exact way of cleaning it. First of all, we have to remove this air filter, and you can see how black it has been turned. So it has to be cleaned and regenerated with its oil. So it has been blocked now. So let's remove it and do the process. So for cleaning the air filter, we have bought an BMC one. So it is an washing kit. So let's open it and we will see the pack what it comes. So it comes with an filler, and this is the oil, and this is the detergent which we are going to clean it with. This is an detergent like soap, like it is used to remove all the dirt particles which is present in the air filter, and after that we have to regenerate it with an oil. So first we are going to clean the air filter, and we are going to soak it with this oil. So I have bought my air filter is K&N, but I have bought an BMC kit because the K&N filter cleaner was way more expensive. This one was around 1600. So before filling the air filter with this detergent, make sure you tap the air filter and make sure you remove every dash particles which are loose. So the air filter is completely soaked with the detergent, so it sets for a little bit and it loosens up every dirt. So it has been completely soaked up, and it is recommended that we have to stay it for 30 minutes, and after that we will rinse off with clean water. So another one important thing, we have to not clean it with an pressure water. We have to clean it with an mild cleaning so that the air filter vessels is not being damaged. So make sure you clean it with and tap water or an process like this, so that your air filter will be safe and reusable. As you can see, after cleaning, the air filter has came to its stock color, that is grey color. So after rinsing it with an water, make sure you take a clean cloth and clean the every gap, so that the dirt which cannot be removed by the detergent will be removed with the help of this cloth. So make sure you do this process. As you can see, the air filter, we can see every holes which is visible in the other side, so that there is no dirt particles is contained in this. So make sure you clean it properly and let it dry for around 30 minutes, and we will go for the next step. As you can see that the air filter is completely dried up now, so we will go for the next step and lube the air filter. For regenerating the air filter with this lube, we have to fill the oil in the gaps so that it spreads thoroughly and it is been completely lubed. So that make sure you follow this process and it will be good to go. So after applying the air filter oil, make sure you take a clean brush and spread it thoroughly. As we have done with the oiling, so it has came back to its normal red color. So we have to clean this excess oil present down, and we are ready to fit in. So after applying the air filter oil completely, let it sit for around 30 minutes so that the oil is completely dry, and then we are going to fix it and ride it.